In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stremio with TorBox. To get started, open Stremio on your device. Make sure the app is already installed and that you're logged into your account before you begin. Once Stremio launches, give it a moment to fully load your main interface. You want to wait until your home screen and library are visible and everything looks settled. This helps avoid clicking around before the app is ready, which can sometimes cause delays or make certain sections load incorrectly. When the main interface is fully loaded, go to the Add-ons section. In most versions of Stremio, you can find this by clicking the Add-ons tab or selecting the puzzle icon in the main navigation area. This is where you manage and install extra tools that expand what Stremio can do. Once you're in the Add-ons area, make sure you switch to the Community Catalog. This part is important because the TorBox add-on is not in the official catalog. If you stay in the official section, you may not see the result you need. Look for the Community Add-ons view and confirm that you're browsing the correct catalog before moving on. Next, find the search bar and type TorBox exactly as written. Spelling matters here, so enter it carefully to make sure the correct add-on appears in the results. After the search results load, click on the TorBox add-on to open its details page. On that page, take a moment to review the add-on details. You should see information like the description, version number, and developer details. This is a good habit anytime you install an add-on, since it helps you confirm that you're selecting the right one and that it matches what you intended to install. When you're ready, click Install. If Stremio shows any confirmation prompts, go ahead and approve them so the installation can continue. After that, wait for the installation process to finish. Depending on your device or internet speed, this may take a few seconds, so be patient and let Stremio complete the process. Once the add-on finishes installing, check your add-ons list and confirm that TorBox now appears as installed. For a final verification, look in your Installed Add-ons section and make sure it's listed there. That confirms the add-on was added successfully and is now available in Stremio. And that's it. You've now installed TorBox in Stremio. Thanks for watching.